风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Yo, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and we got music from the punk rock band TRAEGO or TRAEGO. This song is called Day After Day or Dak Nik. Now, it's about how young people leave their hometowns, but back home, their families are hoping for their success and safety, and sometimes they will go through old photo albums and miss their loved ones. Let's go ahead and take a listen.
亮亮的坐在窗下，攀登祖国的生意准，一年又一年，有上是爱作家，总在日头要作定那不卡，总是点点的变出相片，只甲看见昂首，不是人多也是个。上下，唱我手里我卡电影，我要。梦中的爱将团开始了。时光过，就盼望大家平安。
Yo， 这首朋克摇滚风的歌叫做《Dak Nik》。逐日是客家乐团TRAEGO的歌曲，他们非常激情地唱出年轻人远离家乡外出打拼，日复一日的奋斗，却只能把家人呢留在家乡，翻着老相簿思念他们，然后盼望他们平安成功。我们继续来听这首TRAEGO的《Dak Nik》。
亮亮的坐在窗下，攀登做作的生意准，一年又一年。
Another rockin' tune by TRAEGO called Day After Day, Dak Nik. I am Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.